From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 27th question of NECO 2025 is a problem on algebraic substitution. It says if 6m minus n over n plus 2n is 2, find the value of m over n. So there are different ways you can approach this. You can decide to cross multiply. We'll have 6m minus n equals 2m plus 2n. So this is 6m minus n equals 2m plus 4n. So since we are looking for m over n, it is wise to divide through by n. And so do that, we'll have divide by n, we'll have 6m over n minus 1 equals 2m over n plus 4. And so I can take this on the left hand side. This is 6m over n minus 2m over n equals, I can take this to the right, 4 plus 1. This is like saying 6x minus 2x, which is 4x. So this is simply 4m over n, which is 5. Since I'm looking for what m over n is, m over n is simply divide both sides by 4, 5 over 4. And so it is D. Thank you for watching.